Hey guys, it's Nate from the Flat Spot, and I wanted to do a video today because we have had some really awesome progress on the 59L Flathead project that we're doing. I want to start doing more videos. I want to start doing more technical stuff. We're getting to the point where we're really getting our parts together um, and locking down sponsors, and it's really been a awesome project to watch come together. So I was having kind of a rough day, and I came outside because I was going to walk out to the garage and get some stuff done, and the Flathead Fairy had graced our group with a gift. So I'm going to go in here, kind of mind the mess a little bit. Sorry. So we're going to come in here. We're going to come around here. I didn't realize this was so far from the front door. Sorry. So the Flathead Fairy has graced us with some absolutely awesome Offenhauser parts. So we've been talking to Offenhauser for quite a while, and I've actually kind of tried to keep it under wraps, but a couple of people ended up kind of finding out about it, which didn't matter. But as of today, Offenhauser is one of our main sponsors for the 59L project. They donated this intake manifold and this set of heads. Oh my god, they're so nice. The absolute quality of the Offenhauser parts is just insane. I have a set of Edelbrocks and I absolutely am ready to just throw them in the trash. They were originally going to go on this project, but now that Offenhauser has kind of stepped up and been like, we want to help you guys out. So we took the parts. We will be using them on the project. They will be our primary, yeah, I do believe they will be our primary sponsor on this. Absolutely awesome that they stepped forward and helped us out on this. So the project is coming along. We have about 4 or 5 other vendors that some of them we've locked down, some of them we haven't. We're going to start releasing those and doing little quick videos like this once the parts kind of show up, because we want to make sure that the parts actually show up before we start going like, yay, this vendor. Well, this vendor has totally come through for us. They are an absolutely awesome bunch of guys that are doing, that are basically carrying on the brand with phenomenal quality. And they're doing a lot of retooling. So some guys have actually kind of mentioned how some of the items, they're available and then they kind of fall off and they're gone for a while. And the main reason for that, we believe, is that a lot of the old tooling needs to be updated. The way that the foundries actually pour is different than it used to be. So the old tooling doesn't always work. So they have to pay for retooling. Then they have to pay for foundry to do a run. So that's kind of why stuff falls off and then comes back. But honestly, when it comes back, the new set of heads that we got is actually from the new tooling. And they're phenomenal, because I had an old set on my other motor, and they were really nice. These are phenomenal. So we're really kind of proud of the parts that they've sent us and their interest in supporting this project and supporting our group. So you might see some more Offenhauser stuff kind of popping up, and that's kind of what's going on. Is we want to promote their brand because they are one of the few brands that has been around as long as they have and is still producing in the US. So everything comes out of California. They're using the original machines to do all the machining, which is just amazing. So I want to kind of throw up some clips on that when we get those. If you guys have any questions about Offenhauser, let us know. If you want to know kind of where to get it, I know 2 really good vendors to get it from. One is Hemford Auto Supply. They're in Central California. The other one is White Owl. So those are definitely the 2 places that I would recommend at this point. I believe H&H does it as well, but it's not like he needs any help because he's just super awesome and everybody goes there anyway. So love you, Mike. But anyway, we're really happy to have Offenhauser on board for this particular project. We will be doing more when we get more parts. And we're really, really excited to get this motor going. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and hopefully we'll be doing some more videos soon.